Hello, I'm Tony Gill, and my plan is to give you a short introduction to marketing automation with the power of AI using Groove.ai. If you were fortunate enough to watch Wednesday's Groove.ai World Premiere, it was nothing short of electrifying. Groove.ai CEO Mike Filsaime unveiled the future of content creation for digital marketers, and it's a game changer. But if you missed the live presentation on the 16th of August, you're in luck. The replay is available now and is only going to be up for a short period of time. The clock is ticking, and someone was heard muttering, you show them Groove AI, and everyone is losing their minds. Now, what's that all about? As you can imagine, copywriting with AI support would be a very useful thing to have. And a leading copywriter by the name of Mike Filsaime has been following this for some time. And after seeing a peek preview of this is what he's posted on social media. He said, "So far, I've been impressed with all the AI copy I've seen. It is a total BS answer that it's all prompt-based or dialogue-based. ChatGPT just isn't there yet for copy, but someday it will be. Yesterday, I saw a preview of the future. I've been invited to be a beta tester. The promise is you will be able to write in the style of any copywriter of significance or any blogger, social media expert, etc. You can even have it write like you." Now this should be interesting. By watching the replay of the world premiere of Groove.ai, you will be able to witness the intuitive design. In other words, no more dealing with clunky platforms. You'll see what content Copilot is about, where you have your AI-driven assistant that doesn't just assist, it captivates. Forget about prompt engineering, dip straight into your creative side without the hassle. And personalized knowledge-based creation is really fundamental to having all of the information about your organization and what you're able to do, or what topic or niche that you want to be involved in. Then you have incredible role flexibility from direct response copywriting to technical writing. And then customized persona can be selected based on whatever you want to create. And then tailored outputs, whether it's going to be a blog post, an email, a landing page, you just pick and proceed. Then there's diverse content formats. It's not just about what you say, but how you present it. Collaborative genius, team up with brainstorm and break boundaries together. And the showstopper, which is soon to be unveiled, is the white label Groove.ai opportunity. And now for the pièce de résistance. We talked about the white label offer in the previous slide. So imagine branding Groove.ai as yours. Imagine owning your own recurring income AI service as a software company with Groove.ai's engine under your brand, with your own domain, a website, sales page, and a video made for you. Set up your own pricing or rules and watch the subscriptions roll in. All of this is tailored to your brand's identity, offering a level of personalization that's simply unmatched. Not just a feature, but an edge that elevates your offering and the icing on the cake. The resulting mastery you offer is tantamount to wielding an arcane digital spell. We do all the support and split the profit 50-50. So if you're one of those digital marketers with a burning marketing project in mind, this is your call to action. Harness the power of AI, dominate your niche, and bring your vision to life with a tool tailored to your needs. Earlier on, I referred to people losing their minds. So why is everyone losing their minds? Well, some reasons to give you a taste of what they saw so that you too will see this if you watch the replay, is pilot your content. With Groove.ai, you're the maestro, controlling the tempo, the tone, and the direction. Knowledge-based overdrive. Upload YouTube URLs, crawl entire websites, or add a single page. We transcribe, accumulate, and store knowledge like no other. Multiple roles, multiple voices. Whether you're in the mood for a copywriter or a blogger, Groove.ai can emulate it. Persona magic. Want content like Dan Kennedy, Neil Patel, or Seth Godin? Consider it done. Heck, you even get to write like Mike Filsaime. Audience and avatar precision, targeting digital marketing newbies or tech-savvy pros. Tailor your content accordingly. Reading level flexibility. Match your audience with the click of a button and write for them all. Customized frameworks, whether it's a blog post, email, or pay-per-click ad copy, Groove.ai structures it perfectly. Ultimate control panel, concise to long, SEO to creative, adjust the output as you see fit. Collaboration made simple, share projects with team members, from full access to read only. Please be aware that the lifetime offer for Groove.ai won't be around for too long. Time is slipping by fast, so this opportunity doesn't knock twice. So catch the replay, witness the revolution, and click the URL link below, right below this video. And also, just as a postscript, the white label solution alone is worth watching. Think bigger, think broader, and envision a service as a software empire with your name on it. Don't miss out. Thank you for watching.